In this part of the project, it became relevant to translate the main results into policy recommendation. Recommendation on a different level of analysis, a different level of the organization that were part of the project. So first of all, at the university level, then we aim to include the ecosystem level, and then also to provide some knowledge concerning our results at the European level. In order to do this kind of work, so to translate the main results into suitable recommendation, we organized different kind of workshops. First one was at the university level. Why it's important? Because at the university level, we aim to include actors that are daily managing policies, and there are many, at the same time, mainly managing knowledge valorization practices. Since we met, and since we were able to engage all these different people, we used some canvas to guide a bit the discussion about how to get knowledge valorization effective, how to provide support to researchers, how to engage the quadruple helix, so the ecosystem. These were the main discussion that arose and that we guided through the workshop.
So to make the outputs more sustainable at the institutional level, one of the tools that we have been implementing is the action plan. So the idea is to try to translate the needs that we have identified with the university policy workshops, and then to try to prioritize and align the needs with future actions that are also embedded in the strategy of the university in order to make possible to advance and keep working in knowledge valorization promotion within our universities.
The second kind of workshop was more open to the ecosystem. And so we did a very similar approach. We involved different kind of partners of our quadruple helix. So from public to private to civil society. And also in this case, we try to use a common language to support and to involve the discussion. In this case, the aim was to assess the needs and the problem of the ecosystem in terms of collaboration with university. So how to involve and to create better collaboration from the very beginning of the project through the whole process of the project till the impact of the project, so till the valorization of the project. And so this was kind of relevant for the university to get a second step and second information, knowledge needs from the ecosystem to write and then to traduce these needs in recommendation. Through this kind of workshop, the aim was to listen to the ecosystem in order to get knowledge on how to improve the collaboration from the university side. So what the university can do, and also what the ecosystem can better do to improve this kind of collaboration. The last step of our workshop was as the aim to contribute to the debate at the European level concerning knowledge valorization best practice and knowledge valorization policy recommendation. So the idea here was to get knowledge also from starting from the network and from the ecosystem that is always involved in this kind of project, to get understand which are the needs and how to contribute to this kind of recommendation. The idea is to compare what today is the policy recommendation and how these needs and how this project could support and improve and add on this discussion. The second step will gather all this information, try to understand and transform that in recommendation.